Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to convert Airtable file to PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. We provide a link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample Airtable with doc file and convert it into a PDF format. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, search and select the Airtable app. And choose the New Record option to trigger when a new record is created in Airtable. Now, connect your Airtable account to Zapier. Let's set up the configuration. First, select the base name of your Airtable. Next, choose the table name that contains the record with the attachment file. Then select the grid view to limit the view. And select whether it's true or false to include the file contents. After setting up the configuration, click on the Test Trigger button to make sure that we set it up correctly. The test trigger was successful and fetched the file from Airtable. We can now add another app to convert the Airtable file to PDF format. Let's add another app and select PDF.co. And choose the Anything to PDF converter so we can convert any document or file into a PDF. Now, connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the configuration. First, input the type of document that link from the Airtable file. Next, select the attachment's URL result from the Airtable. Then specify the name of your generated PDF file. Once you are done setting up the configuration, let's test the action to see the result. We have successfully converted the Airtable file to PDF. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the converted PDF document from the Airtable file. We have a lot of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.